The metaverse revolution has arrived, and the scramble for virtual gold has begun. This new digital frontier is attracting a lot of attention, from large tech names to everyday users who want to be the first to take advantage of the metaverse's endless prospects. There are various ways to generate and exchange value for real-world benefits as a result of your experience in the metaverse, ranging from taking on a virtual employment to producing new forms of art and entertainment. And it's probably a lot easier than you think. So here's a list of 11 ways to generate money in the metaverse. But before we begin, I'd like to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is the new currency in today's world, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you the most accurate and up-to-date knowledge to be successful in life and in business. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the button below. Hit that like button and turn the notification bell on. This way, you'll be the first to know about my new videos. What is the metaverse? Many people who are unfamiliar with the notion of the metaverse may feel it is something new. However, it has been popular since the launching of Second Life in 2003. This website merged several aspects of social networking into a virtual environment where users could play as avatars, spend real and virtual money on things and services, and communicate with others in previously unimaginable ways. Modern concepts of making money in the metaverse concentrate around Facebook rebranding in order to enter this digital market. Not only is Facebook attempting to transform its brand and identity as a digital marketplace where corporations and individuals can make money and connect, but it is also attempting to rewrite how the world views online communities. 1. Creating NFTs. At the moment, the NFT craze is all gas and no brakes. They've mostly erupted in the art world by 2021, with headline-grabbing news such as Beeple's $69 million NFT auction or the Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunk's spectacular price run. In the metaverse, however, you will be able to convert any of your creations into NFTs or non-fungible tokens and sell them in open marketplaces. To build and support open economies, the metaverse will rely on avatars, mansions, fashion, collecting cards, equipment, and other digital things totally designed and created by users. There are numerous tutorials available online on how to produce an NFT, which is effectively a digital proof of ownership and authenticity of a specific item, virtual or otherwise. For those who aren't interested in this, there are alternative choices to consider, such as building an NFT art gallery and selling someone else's work in exchange for a percentage of the earnings, or becoming an art broker, advising metaverse clients on how to best traverse this newly minted NFT environment. 2. Real estate. Virtual real estate has experienced a major surge recently, with plots in metaverses like as Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and The Sandbox selling for millions of dollars. Clearly, there are a variety of opportunities available. Real estate flipping, buying virtual land or digital properties and reselling them for a higher price while pocketing the difference. Real estate brokering. With so much real estate business available, the demand for virtual real estate firms has only grown. As a real estate broker, you may earn large profits by connecting buyers and sellers or simply providing advice. Renting. You may buy a plot of land, build a house or other form of property, and then rent it out, just like in real life. You might also use your property for advertising, especially if it's in a high-traffic region. Real estate management. Another excellent approach to monetizing your expertise in the metaverse real estate is to become a manager of other people's properties, which includes overseeing how virtual facilities such as music halls and plots of land are best utilized. Real estate designing. Another great way to monetize your knowledge of metaverse real estate is to become a manager of other users' properties, which involves overseeing how virtual facilities like music halls and plots of land are best used. 3. Advertising. Many businesses are coming to the metaverse not only to establish a virtual presence, but also to exploit it as a major advertising platform. Brands may create stores in virtual malls and advertise products and services across a variety of virtual platforms, including leasing and selling virtual reality commercials, much like in the real world. As more people join the metaverse, it's only natural that it will grow into a gigantic marketing and advertising platform. 4. Fashion. Fashion was one of the earliest users of the metaverse. High-end design brands like Louis Vuitton and Gucci are already experimenting with virtual clothes through NFT collections. With efforts like Burberry x Blancos Block Party and Valentino x Animal Crossing, gaming has also proven a fruitful outlet for brand collaborations. However, almost anyone may launch a digital clothing business and earn money in the metaverse. And if you're not a fashion designer, you could enjoy coming up with new designs for your avatars and assisting your friends in customizing theirs. 5. Education. With the pandemic causing schools to close and millions of students worldwide forced to take online lessons, the promise of virtual schooling has become clear. As it evolves, the metaverse will become a more immersive world, allowing lessons to become ever more individualized and participatory. As a result, tutoring and educational activities will undoubtedly take off. 6. Business creation. The metaverse is an ideal environment for entrepreneurs to thrive. Users can open storefronts and start enterprises with greater ease than in the actual world. There are an unlimited amount of enterprises that can help you generate money in digital worlds, whether it's in fashion, sports, collectibles, real estate, or entertainment. 7. Gaming. Gaming is currently the most popular activity in metaverse-like environments such as Roblox and Fortnite. Users can gather and sell in-game assets in exchange for tokens that may have real-world worth by playing blockchain-based games or engaging in metaverse activities, like in the case of play-to-earn games. Check out our earlier intro to P2E. You may also generate money by creating games for others to enjoy in the metaverse. 8. Travel and tourism. With the world experiencing lockdown after lockdown as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, many people have turned to virtual reality tours for some much-needed relief. Don't know where to begin? We've compiled a list of the finest virtual reality travel experiences you should try right now. The metaverse will be a continuation of this, with the goal of eventually recreating historical landmarks and events from the physical world in virtual worlds. This will result in the creation of a lot of professions in the metaverse tourist sector, such as tour guides and travel agents. 9. Event promotion and hosting. Entertainment will be important in metaverses such as Sensorium Galaxy, which will host concerts by superstars such as David Guetta and Armin van Buuren. Parties, concerts, and sporting events are sure to draw hundreds, if not millions, of people. Therefore, promoters and hosts will be just as important in virtual worlds as they are in the real world to ensure that mind-blowing events take place. 10. Testing metaverse products. As more products surface in the metaverse, there will be a greater demand for consumers to evaluate them and provide feedback. With such a diverse range of industries and enterprises poised to enter the virtual realm, the opportunities to experiment with digital assets are virtually unlimited. 11. Virtual labor. Virtual employees will be in high demand in order to construct and maintain a metaverse. You'll be able to provide your talents in any field, whether for organizations like Meta or Microsoft or as a freelancer. 3D artists, virtual reality architects, community administrators, developers, coders, graphic and fashion designers, recruiters, and metaverse content makers are just a few of the vocations that will most certainly be in high demand. So how can I enter the metaverse as a business? If after watching this video you've realized that investing in your own metaverse-based NFT firm is a good decision, congratulations. However, if you're having difficulty starting from step 1, employing a company that specializes in producing NFTs for the metaverse would be a wise decision. Their knowledge of all aspects of NFTs will be a benefit to you. And as an entrepreneur, you will gain vital insights into establishing an NFT marketplace on the metaverse. Such companies can provide you with the greatest and most resilient solution for your products, guaranteeing that they perform well in the long run, even if they are disruptions. They can also provide high-quality marketing services via numerous channels, guaranteeing that your new NFT store on the metaverse reaches users and gamers in such virtual environments. Even after the introduction of your product, their support services ensure that you have a helpful hand on your side in the event of any unexpected problems with the product. What does the future metaverse present? As the metaverse concept begins to combine Web3 technology enabled by blockchain technology, such as NFTs and cryptos, The future metaverse will resemble our real world in many ways and may even replace some real world activities, like working or hanging out. Such metaverse NFT vendors have already made their NFTs usable in metaverse games such as apparel and footwear, and others are preparing to enter the domain. A rising number of NFT fans see potential to invest in virtual lands on such games and sell or rent them for a fee. People who have no practical interest in the metaverse but see it as a financially rewarding domain could invest in the equities of the companies working on it. The future metaverse could potentially be a significant contributor to the growth of the virtual economy, which is based on video games and virtual worlds where disturbances are minimal. The future metaverse could potentially be a significant contributor to the growth of the virtual economy, which is based on video games and virtual worlds where disturbances are minimal. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all. And if you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comments section. I'll try my best to sort out your confusion. Till then, stay tuned and keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content.